Phuket isn't just a destination, it's an experience you'll remember forever. Imagine pristine beaches, breathtaking islands, and adventures you won't find anywhere else. In this video, I'll uncover 15 must-do activities in Phuket that are so incredible you'll regret missing out. From hidden gems to world-famous attractions, I'm breaking it all down so your next trip is nothing short of extraordinary. Ready to discover why everyone is flocking to Thailand's Paradise Island? Let's dive in. Number 1. Relax on stunning beaches. Phuket's beaches are the crown jewels of the island. Kata Beach is perfect for families and beginners who want to try surfing, with smaller waves and surf schools nearby. Harn Beach, on the other hand, is a peaceful escape surrounded by lush green hills. For those who want exclusivity, Freedom Beach is a hidden gem accessible only by boat or a steep hike, offering a quieter alternative to Patong's hustle. Travel tip: visit early in the morning to beat the crowds and soak in the tranquil vibes. Pack sunscreen and a reusable water bottle to stay eco-conscious. Renting a beach chair and umbrella can cost around 100 to 200 THB, but it's worth it for the shade. I found that Harn Beach also has delicious street food stalls nearby. Don't miss the grilled squid. Number 2. Take a trip to Phi Phi Islands. The Phi Phi Islands are synonymous with tropical paradise. Maya Bay, made famous by the movie The Beach, is a must-see, though its beauty truly shines during sunrise before the day trippers arrive. Paila Lagoon's emerald waters are a dream for snorkeling enthusiasts, and Monkey Beach lets you meet, but don't feed, playful macaques. Travel tip: consider booking a sunrise tour to avoid the crowds and enjoy calmer seas. I opted for a speedboat tour, which cost about 2,300 THB, including lunch. If you're prone to seasickness, grab motion sickness tablets beforehand. Speedboats can get bumpy. Bring a waterproof bag for your electronics. My phone survived, thanks to one. Number 3. Visit Phang Nga Bay and James Bond Island. Phang Nga Bay is a playground of towering limestone karsts jutting out of emerald green waters. James Bond Island, or Koh Tapu, became iconic after its appearance in The Man with the Golden Gun. Kayaking through hidden caves and lagoons adds a sense of adventure that brings you closer to the bay's stunning natural beauty. Travel tip: a guided tour with kayaking is worth the splurge. It allows you to navigate caves inaccessible by larger boats. My guide shared fascinating stories about local legends tied to the karsts. Avoid the peak afternoon sun by opting for a morning or sunset trip. I brought snacks and discovered that a small pack of trail mix was a lifesaver. Number 4. Explore the Big Buddha. Towering 45 meters tall, Phuket's Big Buddha is more than just a massive statue. It's a spiritual haven. Sitting atop Nakert Hill, it offers 360-degree views of the island, especially breathtaking during sunset. You can also hear monks chanting, adding to the serene atmosphere. Travel tip: dress modestly, shoulders and knees should be covered, or borrow a sarong at the entrance. Entrance is free, but donations are appreciated. I found climbing the steps surprisingly calming, and the views along the way are photo-worthy. Combine your visit with a stop at a local coconut stand nearby for a refreshing treat. Number 5. Enjoy a night out in Patong. Patong is the heart of nightlife in Phuket. Bangla Road transforms into a bustling strip of neon lights, live music, and street performers. Whether you prefer dancing at clubs like Illusion or enjoying cocktails at a rooftop bar, Patong has something for everyone. Travel tip: stick to bottled drinks at smaller bars to avoid scams. I recommend arriving early to grab a quieter seat for people, watching before the crowds build up. Tuk-tuks can be pricey at night, so download a ride-hailing app for safer and cheaper options. Number 6. Snorkeling and diving adventures. Phuket's underwater world is vibrant and diverse. Koh Racha Yai is ideal for beginners, with shallow coral reefs and calm waters, while the Similan Islands are a diver's paradise, boasting manta rays and whale sharks. Travel tip: visit during November to April for the best visibility. I booked a half-day snorkeling tour for 1,500 THB, including gear and snacks. Remember to bring reef-safe sunscreen to protect marine life. If you're new to diving, introductory courses are widely available and worth the investment. Number 7. Discover Old Phuket Town. The charm of Old Phuket Town lies in its colorful Sino-Portuguese architecture, street art, and unique cafes. Thalang Road is perfect for souvenir shopping, while the Sunday walking street market is a culinary delight with local snacks like roti and satay skewers. Travel tip: visit in the early morning to avoid the heat and capture photos with soft lighting. I stumbled upon a quaint coffee shop serving local Phuket-style iced tea. Don't miss it. Walking tours are a fantastic way to learn the history behind the colonial-era buildings. Number 8. Phuket Elephant Sanctuary. This ethical sanctuary provides a haven for rescued elephants. Watch these gentle giants roam freely, bathe and socialize in their natural environment. The experience is both heartwarming and educational. Travel tip: avoid places that offer elephant rides. I booked a morning tour that included a vegetarian lunch. It was delicious and a great way to meet fellow travelers. Bring a hat and wear comfortable shoes. You'll walk a lot. Number 9. Explore Wat Chalong Temple. As Phuket's most revered temple, Wat Chalong is a spiritual and cultural experience. The Grand Pagoda houses a bone fragment of Lord Buddha and intricate murals depicting his life. Travel tip: go early in the day to witness locals offering prayers. I love the calming energy of lighting incense sticks. Avoid loud conversations and dress respectfully. The surrounding food stalls offer authentic Thai snacks like Khanom Buang, Thai crepes, a delightful surprise. Number 10. Island hopping to Coral Island, Koh Hay. Just a 15-minute boat ride from Phuket, Coral Island is a haven for water sports. Try parasailing, banana boating, or simply relax on its powdery beaches. Travel tip: arrive before midday to enjoy quieter shores. I rented snorkeling gear for 150 THB and discovered a vibrant coral reef near Banana Beach. Don't forget cash for equipment rentals and food. The fresh coconut shakes on the island are a must-try. Number 11. Experience a Thai cooking class. Discover the heart of Thai cuisine by joining a cooking class in Phuket. Learn to prepare iconic dishes like pad thai, green curry, and tom yum soup using fresh local ingredients. Many classes include a visit to a local market to select the freshest produce, giving you insight into Thai culinary traditions. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned cook, these hands-on experiences are both fun and rewarding. Travel tip: look for classes that cater to small groups for a more personalized experience. Prices typically range from 100 to 2500 THB, depending on the inclusions. I highly recommend Blue Elephant Cooking School. It combines professionalism with authentic recipes. Don't forget to bring a notebook or take photos of the recipes to recreate them at home. Number 12. Take a sunset cruise. Set sail on the turquoise waters of the Andaman Sea aboard a luxury catamaran. Sunset cruises offer a romantic and relaxing way to end the day, with stunning views of the sun dipping below the horizon. Many cruises include light snacks, drinks, and even snorkeling opportunities. Some routes pass iconic landmarks like Promthep Cape or Phang Nga Bay's limestone karsts. Travel tip: book early during peak season, November to February, as these cruises are in high demand. Costs can range from 1,500 to 4,000 THB depending on the level of luxury and duration. Wear light clothing and bring a light jacket. It gets breezy on the open sea. Don't miss the chance to toast the sunset with a tropical cocktail. Number 13. Visit the Phuket Trickeye Museum. Step into a world of optical illusions at the Phuket Trickeye Museum, a 3D interactive art gallery perfect for families and photography lovers. From walking across rope bridges to escaping sharks, the museum's exhibits offer countless photo ops. It's a great way to beat the midday heat or enjoy a rainy day. Travel tip: admission is typically 500 THB for adults and 300 THB for children. Arrive early to avoid crowds, especially on weekends. Wear comfortable shoes, as you'll be moving around a lot for those perfect photos. My favorite tip? Go with a friend or guide who can take creative shots from the suggested angles marked on the floor. Number 14. Watch a Phuket Fantasea Show. Immerse yourself in Thai culture with an evening at Phuket Fantasea, a dazzling cultural theme park. The highlight is the grand theatrical performance combining traditional Thai myths, acrobatics, and live animals, including elephants. The park also features a buffet dinner, carnival games, and cultural exhibits. Travel tip: tickets start at around 800 THB for the show alone or 200 THB with dinner. Arrive an hour early to explore the park and grab a good seat for the show. Photography isn't allowed during the performance, so take your pictures beforehand. I recommend upgrading to the golden seat for a more comfortable view. It's worth it. Number 15. Go ziplining in the jungle. Get your adrenaline pumping with a ziplining adventure through Phuket's lush jungle canopy. Perfect for thrill seekers and nature lovers, these tours often feature multiple zip lines, sky bridges, and abseiling points, all while offering breathtaking views of the island's greenery. Travel tip: prices range from 1,200 to 2,500 THB depending on the length and complexity of the course. Wear sturdy shoes and light, breathable clothing. I chose Hanuman World for its extensive zipline network and safety standards. It didn't disappoint. Bring a GoPro or a phone strap to capture the action while keeping your hands free. Phuket truly offers something for everyone, from relaxing beach days to unforgettable adventures. Which of these activities is going straight onto your bucket list? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're ready to plan your perfect Phuket trip, check out the link in the description for more tips and resources. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss more amazing travel guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on your next adventure.